Hi everybody, how are you? Welcome back to Tam Predicts, and this is another reading. So I'm doing alphabets today. I have shuffled them or jumbled them up, or they are not in order. They're not in order like A B C D E F G H. So I have made four different sets, and this is set number one. And if your name begins with any of these alphabets, then this reading is for you. I'm doing channel messages. There are love readings. There are oracle cards, energy cards, and the usual tarot cards, and any other channel messages that I get. I'm going to give you colors, alphabets, whatever I can give. I'm taking my crystals also here and my stones. So I am going to give you all those channel messages. This is a timeless reading. Whenever you see it, the message is meant for you. Guys, this is a general reading. I always say that if it resonates, it's fine. If it doesn't resonate with you, it's fine. Leave the messages. It's not necessary that all the messages are meant for you or they apply to you or to your situation. And remember, in the end, do whatever consider your free will and do and make decisions what you think are right. These are general guidances from us tarot readers, psychic tarot readers, or clairvoyant, or whatever you want to call them. So I'm going to start my reading, and this is for people whose name begins with these alphabets, and this is A, P, R, J, K, L, and B. I've written them down, guys, and I'm going to repeat. I'm going to put it in the title also so you guys know which ones I'm talking about. This is set number A, and these are the letters that I jumbled up, and I wanted to put them in this category like together. So set A is A, P, R, J, K, L, and B. So let's begin with your reading. Let's see what are the messages for you guys. So I call it a timeless reading. So whenever you're seeing it is the time you were meant to see it. Let's see, what are the messages? What are the messages for people whose name begins with these letters? If all the messages resonate, it's wonderful. If few of them resonate, it's fine. So if they don't resonate, let the messages fly away. That's what I always say. I want to begin with this. I want to say release. So for some of you, the whole channel messages or the card came out to say that please release whoever is not needed in your life, and this is especially for alphabets. This is set A, and whichever alphabets that I took names, I called out. So it is for those people, and you got to release. I feel this summer you got to release, or in August you got to release someone. You're probably dealing with number 7, number 9, number 14, number 18. I'm getting a 24. So if you're dealing with those numbers, got to release them. It could be any other numbers also, guys. These are just numbers that came to me as a channel message. So you got to release. Don't carry the burden of the past. And if you guys have been stuck in a situation where you think, should I move on, should I stay, should I move on, should I stay, should I walk away, should I stay, and that's the only thing you do whole day, I think you need to release the person. And the person, or whatever the situation is, the job, because this is not a love reading, it could be a job or any other situation that you feel you're stuck in, and it's dragging you, it's dragging you more down like quicksand, and the more you try to get out of it, the more it drags you down, or the more burdened you feel with the whole situation. No matter whatever energies you put, or no matter how hard you try to correct the situation, it's not happening for you guys. So I think it's time to release. And you'll feel good after you release the person. And I don't know why I feel that you already know that you have to release the person. It's just that you are not being able to do that. I don't know why, guys. I get that big message that you've not been able to do that. You really know. It's like just 1% left, just for you to just tell the person that, yeah, you don't belong in my life anymore. So I get that energy, guys. Let's see what are the other messages. I was just adjusting the brightness because suddenly the sunlight is going and it's not so bright anymore in the room. Innocence. You've lost your innocence in this whole relationship. It's made you too mature. It's taught you too many life lessons. I feel you were very playful, or you were like a kid. The way you used to react to situations. It's somewhere taken away all that, or some situation that you're struggling with in your life. Could be a family situation, something that suddenly something huge happened in the family, and it's taught you your life lessons too soon in life. It's taught you a lesson, and some experiences that come with time and age. You've learned them all right now. I get a lot of heavy feeling because I think it's not a good situation in the family, and something that you had to learn too early in life, and you lost all your childhood and innocence, or you had to grow up much faster in your head, especially to deal with a situation, or somebody important passed away in the family, and I don't know why I get the financial burden is on you. You're responsible for more people. You're responsible for your family, and I get that you're responsible for your family, for this for the financial situation, and the conditions is not right, and that's where you also feel that this, you've grown up too soon in all this, and all this. I'm not going to call it a mess, because it's a situation that suddenly probably comes up when some loved one dies who is the earning member in the family. So guys, I'm getting that kind of a feeling here. So just don't lose yourself in all this, not your childishness, and childishness in a positive way, and being playful and being like a child, and don't lose that. Otherwise, you're going to feel very sad, and I feel a lot of you are feeling very sad about it. And I think that situation has come up where you have to take a lot of responsibility, or you have to take a lot of responsibility. And I also got the message that it just happened 2 weeks ago, not more than 2 weeks. I get 2 weeks ago something like this happened, that the financial situation became like that for you. A lot of you should be creative. Right now is the time to create, especially earth signs, water sign, and I'm getting a lot of fire energy, and I'm not getting earth energy in this. I am getting all the other elements. Create something new. Uh, Whatever you like as a hobby, or something that you've taken up, and you really you've learning something, you can earn money out of it also, is what I get. And I think it's a long-term course. Some of you have taken a long-term course. It's 1 year. You've just applied for something, and you're going to begin with your course, and it will help you. It will help your financial condition. um, I also feel things are pretty complicated right now for some of you. I don't know why I get it. Or maybe it's about making a decision because you want to do three, four things together, and you are pretty creative, and you're getting confused of what to begin with or where to start. I don't know why. It's like four canvases in front of you, and you don't know which one to fill first. Yeah, which one to go for first, or there are four different creative routes or decisions that you can take, and you want to go for one, but you want to do the other one also on the side, like a side hustle or something. So that's confusing you guys. So I think time to make your decision. Don't be confused. Time to take your decision, and whichever one you want to go with, be focused. Don't scatter your energies, and don't be, because you can never be focused on too many things. We can never say that. Be focused on too many things. You have to find your focus and go ahead for that. I didn't get an earth sign energy, so if you are earth sign, and if this situation is happening for you, it's fine, because this is a general reading. Like I said, all messages might or might not resonate. Some messages might resonate, and some won't at all. Something to do with ancestors, some kind of a property is passed on to you, somebody's given you something and passed on. It could be, I don't know why I get hair color, eye color, something very different about the grandparents or ancestors. I also feel a lot of you got ancestral property. I also feel a lot of you are living with living with the grandparents, and your kids are hearing stories from your grandparents. And that's what I feel, that something has been passed down the generations. It's coming down the generation as stories, as some gift or some remedy, and like a special cooking recipe or something just has been passed down the generations, is what I get. So these are the messages for A, P, R, J, K, L, B, if your name begins with any of these letters. Guys, there are more messages, don't worry. I'm doing proper detailed messages for all the sets. These are channel messages. A lot of you are, I got two words which says must have. So it's like, I must have this thing, I must have it. Some kind of a thing that you must have, and you're obsessing about it. I don't know what it is. So it could be a few of you, a lot of you, or could just be one of you that I'm picking up the energy for. B and J are important in your life, and I feel if I'm talking to you, then you are a very powerful woman, and you also have you have a good judgment, and you know what is good for you, what is bad for you, and you also inspire people, and you motivate them, and people look up to you also. So it could be that you have kids, or whatever, your younger sister or anybody who's younger to you would look up to you, especially if when they're making a decision, they want your opinion in it, and some kind of a secret will be revealed to you guys. I get another 2 days or 10 days or 11 days. some kind of a secret coming from somebody senior to you, or it could be work situation also. Some kind of a secret is going to be revealed, or something that you'll hear for the first time. You'll be like, oh, I wasn't ready for this. Some kind of a situation that will be told to you, or some kind of a secret that will be revealed to you. And yes, my cards go flying off every time. Somebody is going to give you good news, and I feel the person's name is for A, or you're an A, and you will receive this good news. The news will come pretty soon. And this is Ace of Wands energy. So Wands is that, yes, it's about, if it's not about like Swords energy is air signs. So Wand energy, that it will take a bit of a time to come, but it's a matter of days and not week, and probably weeks, but not hours. Not that in 2 hours you'll get that news or something. There'll be a new beginning for you guys. Something new is starting, some kind of a new idea creation. Like I said in the other card also, when I was doing the earth cards, there was idea, there was creation, something new, launching something new. So guys, this is going to happen not in a few hours, because this is not air signs, it's wand energy, and I think that's going to happen a little later. So this is very, very fire sign energy. So that is one of those things. Let me see what are the other messages. Earth is pentacles, swords is air signs, and cups is water sign, and fire is wands. Some of you will walk away from a situation in 8 days, and you think your work is done here, you've solved the problem, or if you've not solved the problem, you feel a bit rejected, dejected, any kind of a feeling, and it is water signs, more with water signs, and you want to walk away from something. It's Scorpio, Pisces, or Cancer. I feel in 8 days you're going to walk away from something. You like your work is done. You're feeling sad about something and moving to another place. I don't know why. Right now you can't change a place. There can't be a change of place or whatever. But I think you're moving from one place to another soon, and you think your work is done here. Sometimes we give up that there is nothing I can do to save the situation. It's that kind of an energy. Nothing more can be done. It's just walking away, and turning your back. So also be careful of financial situations, guys. Anything to do with number 8 or coming 8 days, or if you're dealing with a number 8 or in the 8th month, also get in the 8th month, just be careful about money situations, guys. Let me see what are the other cards saying about this situation, or what are the messages for these alphabets right now. What are the messages? What are the messages? What are the messages? You will get appreciation, guys. Another I want to say 6 months for the work you've done for somebody, from someone, words of gratitude, or to say that you did a good job. I get a good job done here. I get more of that. I don't get a love situation where there's appreciation from the loved one. I get appreciation in your job. There is some appreciation that you get, and I get 6 months. I'm not going to take it as 6 days. I want to say 6 months, and you will feel, you'll be proud. Probably you'll be given a raise, or some kind of a better designation, or a better position in the company, something like that. I get somebody's going to appreciate you, and especially your boss, for the job, for the hard work you put in, and for your dedication and commitment. Let's see other messages. Broken heart. I don't know why I want to take that. Some of you are going to deal with a broken heart. Maybe that was the whole situation of walking away. You just had your heart broken, and you want to walk away. And number 9, dealing with number 9 also, or you're a number 9. And I see a lot of tears. A lot of you are crying. I can see that tear. Every time I see my cards, I see them with new eyes. I get more information fitting into the situation. Yeah, pretty heartbroken. Somebody from T also might break your heart. Somebody from I get J also. I get L also, guys. Or your heart has been broken. You've been pretty hurt. Let's see what are the other messages. Have patience. You're losing patience right now in a situation, guys. I don't know what your situation is, because this is a general reading, and the situations can be many, not just one. Some of you are losing patience. Don't lose patience. Have patience for at least, I want to say 7 months. This is also coming as 7 months. Have patience. Probably it's a new love that you want to find, or a new job or something. It will come, but it will come in 7 months, guys. It will take time. That's the energy I'm picking up. Let me do some love cards. Any love readings that I want to do. Tell you what's happening. What are the love cards saying? What are the love cards saying for you? I want to take this. Work in unity with the person you are, in a relationship with, or could be your husband, could be your wife. Just work with unity. I'm going to read this card out to you. It says you understand that the love shared with another is amplified and has a ripple effect across the universe. So whatever you do, work in unison, work together, work in harmony, have the balance in your relationship, and you will feel good. One more message. I want to do one more love message. Let's see what the message is. Respect. For few of you, respect is missing in the relationship. Maybe that's what broke your heart, or probably you're not getting the respect that you think you deserve in the relationship, and probably you're going to break someone's heart, and you're going to get out of the situation, or the respect in the company, also get in the job situation or anywhere that you are. And when you're dealing with the boss, you're feeling that the person doesn't respect you. You're putting so much of hard work in the job, and there is not the person is not reciprocating with any kind of thing, or there is not saying anything that yes, you've done a good job, or some kind of an incentive is not coming your way, and you're not really liking it, and you really want to change your job, and that's what's weighing on your mind, a job change, which will happen. I want to say just wait 3 months. 3 months, 3 days, 3 hours. That's a 333 I got. So I'm going to give you some alphabets that might be important for you. Whenever you're listening to this reading, this is a timeless reading. So these alphabets are important for you. N. N is important, guys. N again. I've got it twice. So N is very important for you guys. QU. QU is unique. Stand in a queue, maybe. A queen, or somebody's going to treat you like a queen. See it this way. Y. Probably you're going to ask the question why a lot to yourself or to somebody else. I'm going to take out 2-3 more. I want to give out 2-3 more. T. A person with T. I don't know. Somebody's going to break your heart with T, or you're going to break someone's heart. T, because I got T that time. A is important for you, and this I think is also A is in this series of alphabets, and R is important for you guys. So those were the alphabets for you guys. Whoever is important for you in this week, and let me do some. I want to give 2-3 colors or charms that come in my hand for this set. Sometimes they might be repetitive. Sorry, I'm being very loud with this shuffling. So blue is important for you as a color. Wear blue, carry blue, like I always say, or write with a blue pen. White is important. White is a good color for you, and black. These are 2 blacks I got. So black is also good for you guys, especially if 2 came out together. So black is also good for you. So that was your reading, guys. I hope you enjoyed your reading. Do subscribe to my channel, Tam Predicts, and do hit the like button, and do write your comments. I always read the comments, and do tell me what resonated and how many messages resonated. I love reading all that. And I will be back soon with another reading. Thank you guys so much. See you again. Bye.